Hello everybody, what is cracking? It is your boy BeastmodeBrady back at you with another banger video. Today is my first sit down video on this channel and we are going to be doing a Q&A. So a few days ago I asked you guys to send me some questions for this Q&A on Instagram and you guys reacted quite well and I managed to get about 30 questions or so. So today we're going to be doing a sit down video and I'm going to try and answer all the questions to the best of my ability, alright? So without any further ado, if you're new to the channel, go subscribe, like this video, comment what you'd like to see more of on the channel, check out my other videos, and yeah, let's get straight into it. Question 1. When are you going to teach me how to wakeboard? Hey bro, flip, it's been a while, so I'd love to see you again. Yeah, we can go wakeboarding anytime, just hit me up. Lekker. Question number 2. How did you come up with BeastmodeBrady as a username? Good question, thank you. Coming up with my YouTube username actually wasn't that easy. I did have a few ideas that I needed to look at, and I had a few names that I came up with, but when I eventually did come up with BeastmodeBrady, it just had a ring to it that I really liked, so I made sure that I was going to use that one, and I think I'm going to stick with that one for a long time because it just has a ring to it that I dig. Next question. Will you shout out my channel? Charlotte? Okay, sure. Okay guys, so Charlotte recently just started a YouTube channel. So after this video, make sure after this video, you can go check out her channel at Charlotte T. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, probably that way. So yeah, the link to her channel will be down in the description below. So yeah, go for it after the video. What is your favorite song? Oh, my current favorite song is... tell you now. This is my favorite song, okay? It's called Piece of Your Heart by Medusa. Yeah, that's enough. Okay. That's my current favorite song. Why does your nose run but your feet smell? Good question. How am I going to answer this question? Okay, so I don't honestly know why they do that, but I know your feet take part in running and your nose takes part in smelling. That's their primary functions basically, alright? And then in an indirect way, your feet can also smell and your nose can also run. Look at me just trying to map this out in a smart way. Gosh, just go away, it's holiday, bro. Next one. If we have fingertips and not toe tips, why can we tiptoe but not tip finger? Another one? Okay, I'm gonna say you can tiptoe but can't tip finger because we walk on our feet and our toes and not on our hands. So if we walked on our hands, maybe we could tip finger. Next question. Are you single? Yes, I am single, so ladies, hit me up. I'm joking. No, but actually I'm single. Okay. How does one cope with failure? Oh, that's a good question. Thank you. Failure, I think nowadays is a big part of everyone's lives. And dealing with failure is very important. I feel that the best way to cope with failure is to stay positive and not to focus and fixate your mind on the negative of failing, but rather taking something positive from it and learning and keep on trying. So my advice for coping with failure is to keep at it, to keep on trying, and eventually you will succeed. Next question. Bikes or cars? Ooh, okay. Bikes or cars, I like both of them, but I like cars more. Don't you want to give me your bike? No, not really. pretty happy with my bike. Thank you very much. Cheers. So when are we gonna date? Okay. Next question. Where did your passion for racing stem from? My passion for racing stemmed from my dad. My dad is very interested in cars and racing, and from a young age I started racing. I started riding quad bikes and motorbikes from like 2 years old. So from then I had an interest in motorsport. I loved it from day one, and a few years ago he started racing cars, and last year we started racing go-karts, and from then it's just clicked, and I love it. So that's where my passion from racing came from. My dad. How do you keep positive in a negative situation? Oh, good question. Personally, I feel that you need to just focus on the positive in every negative situation. If you focus on the negatives, you just get brought very down and you become sad and depressed. But if you find the positive in the situation and you use that to move forward, it's much easier to keep positive in that negative situation, because negativity gets you nowhere and positivity is key to success. So just stay positive and you'll grow. Next one. Why don't you post YouTube videos often? I try my best. I do live a very busy life, and I try and get a video up at least every month. So don't worry, this holiday there will be plenty of videos coming out. But yeah, I try my best. What got you into racing? Oh, okay. I've loved racing my whole life, and last year my brother was very interested to get into kart racing. So we went to a practice day, and they let us ride the go-karts just to practice. And from the first time I just got into that go-kart, I knew I wanted to do it. So I started racing last year, and I'm still racing go-karts this year as well. And I made a jump up to race cars at the beginning of this year. So yeah, so I have to thank my brother and my dad for getting me into racing. Next question. Fastest ever driven? Well, the fastest I've driven behind the wheel is probably about 220 k's per hour. And the fastest I've ever been in a car is 272 k's an hour. Are you Dr. Chowdhury's son? Yes, I am. My dad is a doctor. He's a general practitioner. Next question. Why are you so sexy? Ha! Thank you. Thank you very much. What can I say? It's just can't help it, but thank you very much. How many horses are hiding in your GTR? Let's just say just a little short of 1,000, alright. In your lifetime, what's the biggest lesson you've learned? Oh, that's a deep question, thank you. In your lifetime, what's the biggest lesson you've learned? Okay, biggest lesson I've learned in my lifetime is to be careful who you trust. Don't just trust anybody, because just because you trust someone doesn't mean that they're not going to stab you in the back. I speak from experience. I was hurt badly not so long ago, and yeah, I think that's the biggest lesson I've learned. Be careful who you trust. Okay guys, we're coming to the end of the video already. If you haven't already, go down, like this video. Most importantly though, subscribe to the channel, because we're currently on about 90 subscribers, and if we get the channel to 100, I've got a special 100 subscribers special video coming out. So as soon as we hit 100, I will get that out. And yeah, every single sub counts, guys. I just want to thank everyone for subscribing so far. I mean, 90, that's a lot, and I just appreciate it. Thank you for everyone's support, and yeah, stay tuned. I'm thinking of maybe doing a giveaway, or or something like that on the channel soon. So make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications to stay updated on the channel. Like this video, and just go check out some of the other videos after this one. Cool, let's get back into it. When you die, what do you want to be remembered for? When I die, which is hopefully a very long time from now, I want to be remembered for the guy who was there for everybody when they needed him. I want to be there for people when they need people, because I know everyone needs someone, and I want to be there for people. I want to help them out, and I want to change lives. So I want to be remembered as a person who was there for people in the times when they needed someone, and was there for them to celebrate the successes in their lives. I just want to make a difference, and I want to be remembered for that. Next question. Do you judge strangers before talking to them? I think judgment is a big issue in today's society, because lots of us judge people before we even get to know them. And I'm not going to deny it, I do judge people, which is a bad thing. So, answer to this question. I try my best not to judge people before actually, talking to them, or judge strangers before talking to them, because you don't know what they've been through, you don't know who they are, you don't know what they're about. And I just try and give everyone a fair, equal opportunity to portray themselves to me, So I don't want to be unfair, judge anyone before I actually get to know them. So yeah. Next question. What made you decide to start YouTube? That's a very good question, thank you. I actually started thinking about YouTube in about the end of last year sometime, because I was watching a lot of YouTube and watching people make videos and sharing their lives and all of that stuff, and I thought it'd be really cool if I could do something like that, because I know that I take part in lots of interesting and fun activities in my life, and just being able to share that with everyone else I find that really, really cool. So I think my desire to share my life with a whole lot of other people, and to somehow maybe influence or show some support to others, to be relatable to others, and just create a little community around me on YouTube, something like that. I think that's a really cool idea. And eventually last year December, I ran into my cousin from the UK. We met in Durban last year, and she was just like, Brady, you should just start a channel, because you do so much interesting stuff, and it'll be really cool to watch and be part of it. And I was like, you know what, that's a really good idea. I've been contemplating it, and when I get back I'm just gonna start. And then that's when I dropped the first New Year's Eve vlog. So we've come a long way from then. I think we have 5 or 6 videos on the channel now, 90 subscribers, and yeah, so let's keep it up. Let's grow this channel. And then second last question, carts or cars? Hello? No, it's fine. Okay guys, back into the video. Sorry for the little interruption, my mom just came in. Where were we? Last question. No? Second last question. I don't know, did I say carts or cars? Yeah, that's the second last question, carts or cars. It's a hard one to choose from. Both are racing. I really love both of them to bits, and if I had to choose one though, I would go with cars. It's just faster, I think it's more real racing in a way. Don't get me wrong, go-kart racing is very real and close and intense, but I think car racing is just, I enjoy it more. Okay, last question. As we come to the conclusion of this video, let's smash the last question. Would you rather know your purpose in life, what happens in your life, or neither? Huh. That's deep. Okay. Would you rather know your purpose in life, what happens in your life, or neither? I personally feel like I do know my purpose in life. So out of these three, I would say I would rather know my purpose in life. And that is the video, guys. Last shameless plug. Yeah, thanks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and maybe learned something new about me. Yeah, let me know what you thought of the video. It's the first sit down video. Maybe give me some ideas for more. If you guys did enjoy this kind of video, like it. Let me know in the comments. And yeah, give me some ideas for my next video. Yeah, remember, let's get the channel to 100 subscribers and I will put out the 100 subscriber special video. So without any further ado, go subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment, turn on your post notifications to stay updated with any new videos. And yeah guys, just remember to stay in beast mode. This is BeastmodeBrady signing out, and peace.